This 14-in-1 multi-tool hatchet arrived earlier today, and I'm excited to unbox this thing and take a look at it with you. This one is black in color. It has a nice handle to it, some nice weight to it. The sheath is nice and thick. It covers all the way around. The tools in here, everything is sharp. The knives, the saws, they all come pretty sharp. This one comes with a hatchet, a hammer, knife, saw, can opener, fire starter, whistle, Phillips and flathead screwdriver, ruler, files, hex wrench, fish scaler, axe. Did I miss any? It's got a lot of stuff. Foldable, it's portable, it's nice. It's got a nice handle to it with some grooves in it. It's not really slippery, has some good weight to it. This is not just great for campers and hikers, but I can see construction workers keeping one of these in their toolbox. I like it. I hope you do too, and I hope you have yourself a good day.